workshoppers, and welcome to the lab. I'm about to upload my first workshop video, but before I do that I thought I'd give you a flavour of what's coming up on the channel by way of a short video montage. Now at the moment I don't have a regular schedule for uploading videos, so the best way to keep up is to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.